here is my moi moi. It is ready, as you can see. So I'm going to open it, and this is what I have with me. I have the onion, and also I have bell pepper. This one, because moi moi loves a lot of bell pepper, so it will be so much tasty. As long as you put more, it will give you the good taste of it. And also I have, this one is pepper or chili. The other one is egg. This is the egg. And also, to make sure that your egg is fresh, at least you can check the dates. As for mine, it is written it will expire in September. At least egg should be fresh in 3 months. Yeah, you have to make sure that you have checked your egg very well. And also here I have, this is palm oil. I'm going to use it as well. And the next one is spices. Yeah, these are the spices that I have mixed them. There is thyme and curry and other spices. Yeah, my secret spices I have put there. And also I have crayfish. This one, no chicken cube. The next one is the powder for moi moi. Yeah, and about this one powder, it is made of black eyed peas. This one is ginger and garlic. That one. So this is the paste of ginger and garlic. After I make moi moi, I'll need a sauce, yeah, for me to serve with. And these are the things that I'm going to use. I have tomato here. I'm going to use tomato, and I'll need carrots. Next one, I love cucumber so much. I couldn't leave my cucumber. Yeah, and also I need green capsicum. Also I have fish. This one, I'm just going to clean it and then I boil, so that I'll make my moi moi full of protein in it. Yeah, it is very nice with moi moi. Now let's go to the process, as I want to start everything now, because I have to grind some of them, and then I have to boil the eggs and also boil the fish, grind some other stuffs. So guys, now let's start on the process now, as I'm going to use the jug to mix all the stuffs. I'll start with water. I'll put little water. Next one, I'll slice my bell peppers. I have put bell pepper here. I'm still adding my stuffs. I'll put onion. The next one is pepper. So I don't have to cut it. Just put. I will just remove this one, the edge. There are 3 of them. I'm using 3. Yeah, and now I continue blending. Now I have finished blending all my stuff, salt and pepper and pepper inside, so I have mixed them together. Now it is time to blend crayfish, and this one I'm going to use the dry, this one, this container. I'm going to use this one. Some people, they don't like to blend or to make it small. They just like it crunchy, that like the way it is looking like this. but for me I would love it while it is a little bit blended, yeah. And also I'm going to put non-seasoned, and then I mix them. Guys, I have finished to blend, dried it. Now I have made it powder as I want it to be, and I'll pour it here. Yeah, it's looking like this is powdered. And the next thing I'm going to do from now is to boil eggs and fish. Yeah. I am cleaning my fish now. I finished to cut it.
Take it from the basket.
Now I'm going to boil my eggs. Next is clean my fish. I have cut it into pieces. Next I'm going to choose to boil my fish. Next I'm going to boil my fish with some onion and seasoning. Okay, put the water on fire and let it boil before you put your fish. Alright guys, it is time for mixing my moi moi because it is powder and I need to mix with all the stuff that I have made. This is the bell pepper, remember I already blended it. And then I also have crayfish. I have cooked my fish. Yeah, it is. Yeah, and also I have the eggs. I already boiled them and peel it, so what's remaining is just to cut and put inside the bowls. I'll start putting the bell peppers, the smoothie that I made. I made a lot because I wanted to have enough moi moi. Then next I'm going to pour my powder in. Then I mix all them together. This one will tell me if I need to add more powder. It needs to be at least more thick. I have some. Okay. Now my paste is ready. Next I'm going to add my seasoning. Crayfish, and then water. Alright, this water is fish water, the one I used to boil the fish. And some people they like to use beef because maybe they don't eat fish. So for me, I like my moi moi with fish. So I'm going to add little water to mix with this one as well. Okay, then I continue mixing until all the water is finished. Then next thing I'm going to put is oil. When you're putting your oil, you can use any oil for your taste. That is, you can use palm oil, you can use vegetable oil. For those who like groundnut oil, they can also put whatever you want to put. Even margarine you can put if you want. So as for me, this is the last step of my vegetable oil. Yeah, and then I continue mixing again. Alright, now this is the last step of making moi moi. Now I have finished to mix my paste. I have my eggs, I have my fish, and this is the last step of mixing and making moi moi before I put inside the oven. Alright guys, I have my paste here, I have my eggs, and I have fish. Now I'm going to do the last step, putting them inside the bowls. I can use these small bowls, or I can use the big bowl. Here it is. I'll just bake it like a cake, yes, and then I put inside the oven. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I have the blush and then the oil. I have put little oil here, so I'm going to put oil round like this with the brush, using my brush. So this is already oil as well, and then second one, make sure all the sides they have oil so that it will not stick. Everything with the bowl, I'll make sure it has oil. All the corners, side by side. Here is my fish, and I'm going to slice it since it cannot fit in these small bowls. So I'm going to slice it small, like just half, and the egg half. I have finished to slice my fish and my egg. Now I'm going to put my paste in here, yeah, and then I'll add some little more, just little. I don't have to fill all the bowl because it's going to swell once I put inside the oven. So I put fish here. Alright, now because I don't have the cover, I'm going to use foil to cover my bowls. Make sure you cover it nicely. Yeah, like that, and then that's it. Now I'm putting inside the oven and leave it to cook. Here is my moi moi. It is ready, as you can see. So I'm going to open it. After opening my moi moi, see, and beside it has carrot and cucumber vegetables. Yeah, this is now full moi moi with some vegetables and some sauce at the side, and this is now the moi moi itself. Still looking so delicious. This is now my moi moi. I'm ready to eat it. Yeah, I have the sauce at the side. I have vegetables. I love vegetables so much, and I would recommend to everyone, if you can make this moi moi, please make it for your kids. They would enjoy it. And so also you can make for your friends, yeah, whenever you have visitors, or anytime you want, you can make moi moi. It is very nice. It's a nice dish. You will enjoy it, and it is protein. I love the taste. Everything is mwah. It is very tasty. Like this video, please share, like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to put the notification bell so that next time I'll put another video, you'll be the first to be notified. Kindly also leave the comment below. Let me know what you would like me to make for you. Thank you. Bye bye.